Hahah, no Tudor, and thanks for stopping by. A big welcome to every one of you who joined this video. It's gonna be amazing. Honestly, I'm for the first time in the front of the camera, so I hope you guys enjoyed these videos as well as I do. So what I'm doing here is I will teach you German in the most funniest, creative way. And how I come up with this idea is that some of my friends asked me to do some tutorials and videos, and the second, I really want to share my knowledge about German. Today I'm gonna teach you how to say hello, Leho in German. And let's get started. So once you travel to Germany, for example Hamburg, you will say Moin Moin, Moin Moin. How to say hello in Cologne, you will say Moje, Moje. When you are in the middle of Germany, you will say Grüsse Sie, Grüsse Sie. Grüsse Sie is more formal, so this you will say to your boss, for example. Grüsse dich, Grüsse dich is an informal way, so this you will say to your friends or colleagues. So when you travel to Bavaria, so in the south of Germany, you will say Grüß Gott, Grüß Gott. Some of the people from Austria and Switzerland, they will say also Servus, Servus. And this means hello and goodbye. Once you walk out of the store, is Servus. And once you walk in the store, is also Servus. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and could learn something today. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. More German videos will be coming soon. Stay tuned, see you next week, and Hatzikin. Bye!